Back on, ladies and gentlemen.
You can always tell when you're recording because you're always commentating.
Okay. I've been told not to commentate. Well, that'll shut me up.
First this time, so,
What's that?
film on the way.
Left. Or you guys, if you want to film somebody from behind, you can go together. Here.
All right, I'll go first. Jeez, do I have to? Oh, you bastards. You asses. Oh, yes. I'm too sexy for myself, too sexy. I'm too sexy, yeah. Along the catwalk. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-doo. Along the catwalk. Ba-da-da-doo. Here they come. We'll get a little film. We'll get a little film of everybody. I'm too sexy for myself. Too sexy. I'm too sexy, yeah. Okay, kids, you want to grow up just like your dad. But where is he in the picture? We don't see your dad. It's because he's far too polite. Remember that, kids. Be polite. Here's Rob, Chicken Legs McNaughton. Buck, 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 buck. Somehow he makes it work for him. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Whoa, baby, look at him go. Here he is, smooth as silk. Look at him go. Look at that hand position, hips swinging, body, extension, compression. It's virtually a textbook run. Here he comes. Here he comes, ladies and gentlemen. Here he comes. Here he comes. Look at that. Whoa. And here's our intrepid guide, Derek. Let it go. 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 Whoa, look at that go. Woohoo!
Light over there now, eh? Pretty, eh?
Oh, wow.